Lisa with WTI. If you love baseball caps, you definitely need to check this one out. I love this baseball hat by Halemet. This is a velvet one, and I love how fashionable and classic they are. I love wearing these hats, especially whenever I go out on a hike or any outdoor activity, but at the same time, I want to be dressy, classy, and not so dressed down. So these hats are going to give you the perfect touch you need. There's so many things I love about them. You're going to see from close up that they are super, super soft. This is a must. They're super gentle on your skin, which I love. And this is so practical too, because they are adjustable. Right here, you just open it and you can either close it, adjust it a little bit more, or make it a little bit loose. I love too that you can fit your ponytail through here and just wear your hair up. It looks great either if you're wearing your hair down like I am right now, or if you're wearing your hair up. I also love that this is velvet, which is great for the fall and the winter. I promise you will not be disappointed when you buy these baseball caps. I highly recommend them. I know this would make the perfect gift for all of your girlfriends. They have a variety of beautiful colors, and that is my point of view.